So now we're going to do number 2, and 2 has 3 parts, and the first part, or part A, is finding the derivative of f of x equals 3x squared minus 5x plus k. So already going into this, we know that k will automatically become 0 because due to the simple rules of differentiation, due to the constant rule, k is automatically going to become 0. So we have to find the derivative of 3x squared minus f of x. So if we follow the power rule, which we also learned, we can bring this 2, or the exponent, down and multiply that by 3. That's going to be 6x, and we have to do n minus 1, or 2 minus 1. That's going to give us the power of 1, so that's just going to be 6x. Move on to the second term, negative 5x, find the derivative of that. So x has the power of 1 right now. We can bring that over and multiply that by negative 5. It's going to give us negative 5. And we have to do n minus 1, or 1 minus 1 in this case. That's going to give us 0. So x to the power of 0 is 1. And so that's going to be negative 5 times 1, but we don't really have to include that in our derivative answer because that would just be 6x minus 5. So that's the derivative of f of x. So now we move down to parts B and C. They give you some new information to say that the equation of the tangent to the graph of f at x equals p is y equals 7x minus 9. They want you to find p. So basically, they want you to figure out when is the derivative worth 7. So they basically you're finding when the derivative is worth 7 because you have y equals 7x minus 9. So you're going to do what you have here. You're going to do 6x minus 5 equals 7. And then we're just going to solve this right now. So x is equal to, actually p is an equal to, so p is 2. And then now we can find k. So we're going to use what they gave you as the y equation. So y equals 7x minus 9. And what you had originally for f of x, which was this whole shebang, which has k in it. And you're going to solve for k now. And the x that you're going to plug in is what we found for p. So that's 2. And basically this simplifies to 12 minus 10 equals k, plus k, sorry about that, equals 5. And so that's going to be 2 plus k equals 5, and then that's going to be k equals 3. So we have that the derivative of f of x is 6x minus 5, p is 2, and k equals 3.